One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what camera do you use for shooting your videos? It's not really a big secret. If you follow us on social media, you'll know that the answer is the Sony a7S Mark II, along with a complement of other lenses. It's a really good camera, but you know what would make it even better? A flippy screen for vlogging and when I shoot videos of myself when I'm alone. So imagine my excitement when Sony announced the a6400. It comes with a flippy screen, and I have it here. This is our Sony a6400 unboxing and hands-on. So guess what? We actually haven't done a camera unboxing video in a while, so this experience will be new to you and to me. This is what the box looks like. Typical Sony box. Opening it up reveals a bunch of user guides. Underneath, we have one of Sony's more pocketable battery models. Viewfinder eyepiece, camera strap, and the a6400 itself. This is much more compact and lighter than what we're used to, so I can imagine it being a better choice for handheld vlogging. The eyepiece goes here. Okay, I'm excited to see this flippy screen in action. You pull the screen out like so, and then fold it up like this, and you're good to go. Let's clean this up. What makes the a6400 more compact than our existing cameras is a smaller APS-C sensor. Here's what it looks like with a 50mm lens, one of my favorites. If you're getting the camera with a kit lens, this is how it looks like, even smaller. But it can get real big like this with a lens like the 90mm macro. And now that we have all of that set up, time to take this for a spin. The a6400 is the latest in Sony's total vlogging lineup, part of their a6000 series, a roster of cameras with APS-C sensors and interchangeable lenses. It doesn't have in-body stabilization like the a6500, but what's special about this is the same super fast autofocus features as some of its full-frame counterparts. Compared to other cameras, a6400's focus detection covers the entire screen, so you can avoid those annoying out-of-focus videos because your old camera only covers the middle part. On top of that, its advanced real-time tracking function is designed to follow a fast-moving subject so it stays in focus. This is indeed every vlogger's must-have. You should go check it out for yourself. And of course, that tiltable screen. Up until now, screens on Sony's interchangeable lens cameras could only tilt up as far as this, which is useful when we need to get high or low angle shots. But when I'm out covering solo, it's harder to frame my shots of myself unless I hook the camera up to a separate monitor. That's where the 180-degree flippy screen comes in real handy. And remember when I said that this camera is perfect for traveling? Well, with this, you can frame your selfies and even timer shots better. Oh, and it's also a touchscreen. So when shooting video, you can shift the focus by simply touching the monitor. You can switch to touch tracking too, so you can lock the focus and track a moving subject. With touch shutter, you can set the focus and take the photo with just a single touch. It shoots up to 4K video and 120 frames in Full HD for that cinematic slow-mo footage. Want to see more? Here's a short video we shot around New York. that was our Sony a6400 unboxing and hands-on. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in New York, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.